माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी। हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी। हो खुदा पे भी असर, तू दुआओं का है घर। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा।
बड़े होकर भी यहाँ तक कि किसी पदवी को पाकर और उस मुकाम तक पहुंचकर जहां हर माँ अपने बच्चे को देखना चाहती है, नहीं अदा कर सकता। इसके सटीक उदाहरण अब्राहम लिंकन तथा थॉमस एडिसन है। माँ की ममता, उसके वात्सल्य की कीमत चुकाना उसके बस की बात कभी नहीं थी, ना कभी होगी। इसके लिए संसार ने भी माँ को ब्यूटी विद ब्रेन की संज्ञा दी है। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और अभी तक हमने माँ और बच्चे के अटूट संबंध की जो बात थी, अब उसे हम देखते हैं।
जिंदगी याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की। डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह। रखते हथेली ना माँ, तूने कुछ खाया देर से क्यों आई, कोई ना पूछे यहाँ। हीरा कहा कभी नगीना कहा, मुझे क्यों ऐसे पाला था माँ। तेरी नजर से मुझे देखे ना जहाँ, दुनिया को तो डांटेगी ना माँ। तेरी नजर से मुझे देखे ना जहाँ, दुनिया को तो डांटेगी ना माँ। मुझको शिकायत करनी है सबकी, मुझको सताते हैं माँ। अब तू छुपा ले, पास बुला ले, मन है अकेला यहाँ। लाडो
आप सभी ने देखा माँ और बच्चे का वात्सल्य। इस प्यार की तुलना संसार की किसी अन्य वस्तु के साथ नहीं की जा सकती है।
Now let's move ahead. The walls of the school will feel hollow. The corridor will feel empty, and we all will feel lifeless without her inspirational presence, incredible skills, and experience. You inspire us by being an example of an amazing mother to all of us. A very happy Mother's Day to Principal Ma'am. I would request Ma'am to bless us all.
Thank you, Manisha. Wishing you all lovely mothers a very happy Mother's Day. It's a blessing to be a mother, and I could see the tears in the eyes of mothers when they were seeing the video. I was so emotional when I saw the video myself. Being a mother is a blessing, and having a mother with you throughout is more of a blessing. I wish you all a very happy Mother's Day, and I dearly welcome the mother of the Millennium School, Mrs. Goyal, with us today. I remember last year when we started the school, she was with us. Welcome to you, Mrs. Goyal. A warm welcome to Sneha Goyal and a warm welcome to Sumita Goyal. We will always cherish each one of you in this school. Most important to us all the time. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead. I will not take much time of yours. I want you to watch the program and cherish these moments with your children. Thank you, dear parents.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. I request everyone to please mute yourself. Start the day with the fun-filled games. Our first game of the day is memory game. For that, I would like to call upon Miss Deepika Dhal, ma'am.
Good morning, dear mothers who all are present here. So I'll just share the screen with you and we will start with our memory game. I hope you all are ready. Okay.
I request all the parents to give answers in the chat box to the host, that is Miss Ruchi Mahajan.
Okay, so let's begin with our memory game. So first let me explain you rules of this game. I'll just show you 3 slides and I'll show you those slides for 30 seconds and you have to remember the objects in those slides. After that, I'll just close the slides and you will get 1 minute time to write the name of the objects in your chat box. Then you have to send all the name of the objects to the host, that is Miss Ruchi Mahajan. But remember one thing, you have to send all the answers in one chat only. If you send it twice or thrice, then you are disqualified. So remember this thing, you have to send the names of the objects in one single chat only. And the person with maximum correct answers, she is the winner and we will announce the winners at the end of the event. Okay, so let's start. Get ready. Now your time starts now. Your 1 minute starts now. Remember, you have to send the answers in a single chat.
I request every mother to kindly send the answers in chat box with host only, not to everyone. This will be disqualified.
Only 10 seconds are left, so do it fast. And you have to send the chat to Ruchi Mahajan. He is the host. So your time is up. Your time is up. Everybody, I request everybody to send it fast to Ruchi ma'am.
Me, ma'am.
सुनो बात सुनो नोट करो स्वेटर फ्रॉक एयरपेन डोरमैट 1 2
क्या जानो?
3 स्वेटर फ्रॉक एयरपेन डोरमैट हार बैंगल
Thank you so much, Deepika Dhal ma'am, for this amazing game. Now for the next game, I would like to call upon Miss Kriti Soni.